Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to use perspective group tool in Photoshop. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then select perspective group tool from the toolbar. And selection the square on the design. And rotate the cropping area. And check this. If you wanna a large canvas size, then select crop tool and cropping canvas. If you see white background or any background, then select rectangle IQ tool and selection area. I do this. Go to the edit menu, click on the fill and follow the process. Go to the select menu and deselect. Now we use perspective group tool. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe for more videos.